Seventh question. In figure 12.25, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. With centers A, B, C and D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. Very simple. Area of the square minus area of the 4 quadrants. Why is it a quadrant? Because this angle here, angle A is 90, angle B is 90, angle C is 90, angle D is 90, right? Easy question. All you have to first do is find area of square, area of quadrant and subtract it. So what will be the area of the square? A square, which is 14 square, which is 196 centimeters square. Now going in for the radius, radius of each circle is equal to R equal to 14 by 2, which is equal to 7 centimeters. So area of quadrant, pi R square by 4. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 by 4. 7 and 7 cancels. 2s are 11s are. 77 by 2 centimeters square. Area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus 4 into area of quadrant. Area of square 196 minus 4 into 77 by 2. 1s are 2s are. 196 minus 77 into 2, 154. Correct? Yes. Now from 154 you have to reach 196. So 196 minus 154, 42 centimeter square. Question 8. The figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. This is semicircle and this is semicircle. The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meters and they are each 106 meters long. I will just enlarge this diagram. They are telling you the distance between the parallel line segments is 60 meters. Inner parallel line segments are these. These are all parallel. The distance between them is 60. Agreed? This is 60. This is 60. And they are each 106 meter long. These parallel line segments are each 106 meters long. If the track is 10 meters wide, this portion here is 10. 10, 10, 10. Everywhere it's 10. Find the distance around the track along its inner edge and then find the area of the track. Distance around the track along its inner edge is, I want only this portion. So it's 106 plus, what is this? Semicircle. So should I apply the formula 2 pi r by 2 or pi r plus d? Should I apply pi r plus d? Area of semicircle was pi r plus d. But here d is not included. The track has only the curved part. Only the curved part is just pi r. This is d. Area for regular semicircle, perimeter of regular semicircle, pi r plus d. But here we will not include d because this is not included as a part of the track. Just pi r. So what happens here? 106 plus pi r plus 106 plus pi r. Agreed? Yes. So we can therefore write length is equal to 106 plus pi r plus 106 plus pi r. 106 and 106, 212 plus 2 pi r. 212 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into the radius. Diameter is 60. Radius is 60 by 2. 2 cancels. 212 plus 1320 by 7. take LCM and we get 2804 by 7 meters. Now let's go for the area. In order to find out the area, we will treat this like one section, another section. Please observe, this portion can be treated as a rectangle, length into breadth. Agreed? Length is 106, breadth is 10. Same thing with this portion. What about this one? For this, we will take area of big semicircle minus the area of small semicircle. That will give us this region, and the same thing applies here. So let's split it up. Let's just call this as section 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine. So area of section 1 is equal to length into breadth. What's the length? 106. What's the breadth? 10. 1060 meters. Meter square because it's area. Next, going in for the semicircle, I first need the radius of the small circle and then the radius of the big circle. So I'll use this as radius of inner circle, 60 by 2, which is 30 meters. Radius of bigger circle or outer circle, 60 plus 10 is the whole diameter. This whole thing is the diameter. So 60 plus 10 by 2, 80 by 2, which is 40 meters. So now area of second track, the second portion, area of big circle, big semicircle minus area of inner semicircle. So area of big semicircle pi r square by 2, but since the r belongs to the big, so I'll write a big here, minus pi r square by 2, since it's small here or inner, write inner. Pi by 2 is common, r square big minus r square inner. 22 by 7 into 2, 40 square minus 30 square. 1 za 11 za. 11 by 7 into 40 square 1600 minus 900. 11 by 7 into, how much is this? 700, right? Yes. So 11 into 7, 77, put the 2 zeros by 7. 7 1s are 1100 za. 1100 meter square. So now what happens? Area of 1 is 1060. Area of 3 will be same as area of 1, so 1060 meter square. Area of 4 will be same as area of 2, that is 1100 meter square. Total area of track equals area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of 3 plus area of 4. Area of 1 1060, area of 2 1100, area of 3 1060, area of 4 1100. On adding all this we get 4320 meter square. Question 9. In the figure, AB and CD are diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other. They have told AB and CD are diameters that are perpendicular to each other. OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. This OD is the diameter of smaller circle. OA is 7. See, center is O and this is 7. So I can say all of these are 7, 7, 7. Agreed? Yes. And these are all perpendicular. Find the area of the shaded region. Very easy. Area of small circle plus, this is a semicircle minus triangle, correct? So what can I say? area of shaded region is equal to area of small circle. So I got this part. Remove this whole sector. Area of semicircle. This small circle is with diameter OD. Area of semicircle with diameter AB minus area of triangle ABC. So semicircle minus triangle will give these two, and then we add up this one. Agreed? That's all. So area of small circle pi r square. Okay, use small r because there are two circles here, plus area of semicircle pi r square by 2, use capital R here, minus area of triangle ABC. Since this is perpendicular, I can treat this as the base and this as the height. Half into base into height. Substitute 22 by 7 into radius here is diameter is 7. So radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus 22 by 7 into 2. R over here is the semicircle's radius is 7. 7 into 7 into 7 minus half into base. Base is now 14. Height is now 7. Yes. Solving this, we get 7 7 cancel, 1s are 11s are 11 into 7 77, 77 by 2 plus 7 7 cancel, 1s are 11s are 11 into 7 77 minus 1s are 7s are 7 7s are 49. So we therefore get 77 by 2 plus 49 and 77. 77 minus 49. 77 minus 40, 37. 37 minus 9, 28. So 77 by 2 plus 28. Take the LCM. 77 plus 28 into 2. 28 into 2. 22s are 40, 8 2s are 16. 40 plus 16, 56 by 2. On adding this, 77 plus 56. 70 plus 50. 77 plus 50. 127. 127 plus 6. 133. 133 by 2 centimeter square. Question 10. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17320.5 centimeter square. They have given the area of the triangle itself 17320.5 centimeter square. With each vertex of the triangle as center of a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. So this is half of the length of the side of the triangle. But do I know the side of the triangle? No. Find the area of the shaded region. See, area of circle minus area of 3 sectors will give me the, this is a sector, will give me the area of the shaded region. But to find the area of the sector, I need the radius of the sector. I don't know the radius, but I know the radius is the half of the length of the side. I don't know the side length. So the first point is to find out the side length. They have told to take pi as 3.14 in this question and root 3 as 1.73205. So now in this question, area of the triangle is given by root 3 by 4a square is equal to 17320.5. Root 3 value they have told in the question to take it as 1.73205 into a square is equal to 17320.5. This is division by 4. Right? So now a square is equal to 17320.5 into 4 divided by 1.73205. You can observe 1s are 1 4 zeros are. If you don't know how, multiply and remove the decimal completely and then try to divide. Now I can therefore write a square is root of 140 into 4. A square will just be 140 into 4. Square will also become square root 4 zeros into 4. 4 zeros can be written as 100 square and this can be written as 2 square. Comes out 100, comes out 2. 200 centimeters. I can also therefore write radius is equal to 200 by 2, 100 centimeters. Area of a single sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 degree here, divided by 360 into 3.14 into 100 square. 1s are 6s are. On solving this we get 31400 by 6 centimeters square. Now area of shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle minus 3 into area of sector. Area of triangle 17320.5 minus 3 into 31400 by 6. On solving this we get 1620.5 centimeter square. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeters are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Area of square minus area, 9 times area of circles. Circle, 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 remove all the areas. Simple. But they have only given the radius here. Radius is 7 centimeters. That means diameter is 2 into 7, 14 centimeters. So you can see this is 14, this is also 14 and this is also 14. This gives us the side length of the square as 14 plus 14, 28, 28 plus 14, 42, 42 centimeters, right? So side length of the square 3 into 14, which is 42 centimeters. Area of remaining portion is equal to area of square minus 9 into area of circle. Area of square 40 a square, let's call this as a, minus 9 into pi r square. 42 square minus 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 square. 1717 cancels. On solving this we get 378 centimeter square. Question 12. In the figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle. OACB is a quadrant of a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeters. If OD is 2 centimeters, find the area of the quadrant OACB. Easy, very easy, the first part. Area of quadrant OACB, theta by 360 into pi r square, theta 90 by 360 into pi 22 by 7, r is 3.5 into 3.5, 1s are 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 11s are, 7 1s are, 0.5s are. Okay, so 11 into, I'll write 0.5 as 5 by 10, 3.5 as 35 by 10 and this one as 2. Is that okay? So we can write this as 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 7s are, 5 2s are. So 11 into 7, 77, 2 2 2 gives you 8 centimeter square. Now they have asked for the shaded region. In order to find the area of the shaded region, it is area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Agreed? Quadrant minus triangle. Quadrant is 77 by 8. Triangle, this is 90. I can take this as the base and this as the height. Half into base into height. 77 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Base is 3.5 into height is 2. 77 by 8, 2 cancels, minus 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10. 5 7s are 5 2s are. 77 by 8 minus 7 by 2. LCM is 8. 77 minus 2 into what is 8? 4. 7 into what is 8? 4. 28. 77 minus 28. 77 minus 20, 57. 57 minus 8, 49. So, you can therefore say this is 49 by 8 centimeter square. Question 13. In the figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant of OPBQ. This is a quadrant. If OA is 20 centimeters, they have given OA is 20 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. See, if OA is 20, area of shaded region is what? Area of quadrant minus area of square. To find area of square, no problem, I have side length. But do I have the radius to find the area of quadrant? Yes, I do. OA is the side length 20. I can say this is also 20. Can I find OB? Can I find this OB? Yes, how? Pythagoras theorem. So, you can therefore write in triangle OAB, OA square plus AB square is equal to AB square is equal to OB square. 20 square plus 20 square is equal to OB square. On solving this, you get OB is equal to 20 root 2 centimeters. So, now I know the radius is 20 root 2 centimeters. Therefore, R, which is the radius, is 20 root 2 centimeters. Area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square. Area of quadrant theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of square is a square. Have they told to take pi as 3.14? Yes, they have. So, now theta is 90 by 360 into 3.14 into r is 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 minus a 20 whole square. We get 628 minus 400, which is 228 centimeter square. 14th one, AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radius 7 centimeters and 21 centimeters. If angle AOB is 30 degree, find the area of the shaded region. See, this is a sector of big sector, small sector. Easy question. So, area of shaded region equals area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. Theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the big one, so we will use capital R here. Minus, this is also theta by 360 into pi small r square. Theta by 360 pi is common. R square minus R square. Theta 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into capital R is 21 square minus 7 square. Just simplification, on solving we get 308 by 3 centimeter square. In the figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeters. See, this is a circle of radius 14 centimeters. And a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. See, this BC's diameter is not the same as this. If I have to say sector, I will draw this, please observe. This is a quadrant A, B, C. This is a quadrant. Taking BC as diameter, a circle is drawn. A semicircle is drawn. So BC as diameter, it's not, if this here given as 14, BC is some other length. This is 90 degrees, so you can find the value of BC and then find the area of this. But they want only this portion. How do we do this? Area of circle minus this small segment is nothing but area of shaded region. Area of semicircle minus this segment is nothing but your required shaded region. How do I find the segment? First, treat this as a sector. Sector minus triangle will give area of segment. We already know that. So, I will first find area of segment, then I find area of semicircle and minus the area of segment. Okay. So, first what are we going to do? Find the area of segment. To find the area of segment, you have to first do sector minus triangle. Shall we do it directly? So, area of segment, I will call this as 1, 2 and 3. Area of segment 2 is equal to area of quadrant ABC minus area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is nothing but 1. Area of quadrant theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle ABC, half into base into height. 90, so base and height are 14, 14. 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Minus half into 14 into 14. Ones are fours are, ones are twos are, ones are twos are, ones are 11s are. 11 into 14. 14 tens are 140. Another 14 to it, 154. So this is 154 minus ones are sevens are. 7 into 14. That is nothing but 70 plus 28, 98. On subtracting these two, we get 56 centimeter square. This is the area of the segment 2. Now, area of semicircle. But to find area of semicircle, I need the radius of the circle. I need the radius of the circle. But I don't know BC, right? How do I find BC? Using Pythagoras theorem. So now we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem to this. So in triangle ABC, AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. 14 square plus 14 square is equal to BC square. BC is equal to 14 root 2 centimeters. Diameter is equal to 14 root 2 centimeters. Radius is equal to 14 root 2 by 2, 7 root 2 centimeters. Now you can therefore say area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of the second part, segment 2. Area of semicircle formula pi r square by 2. Area of segment we already found out 56. So this is 22 by 7 into 2. 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 minus 56. See, on solving this, 7 cancels. Root 2 into root 2, 2. It will go away with this 2. 22 into 7. 22 into 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. 154. 154 minus 56, which is 98 centimeter square. Question 16. Calculate the area of the designed region common between the two quadrants of the circles of radius 8 centimeters each. They have given this is a quadrant, find this region. If you observe the figure carefully, This is the quadrant, right? So this portion is what I am going to find, taking this region. I will be ignoring this other design. Why? Once I find this area of this segment, this area same, just multiplied by 2. So what am I going to be doing in this diagram? Let's label it as ABCD. I am going to find the area of this segment. Then multiplying 2, I will get this also. Correct? So I am just going to deal with one quadrant now. 8, 8. Easy. How to do this? So we can say area of segment, or let's call this as section 1. Fine? Yes, section 1. Area of segment 1, and let's call this as 2, is equal to area of quadrant ABD minus area of triangle ABD. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Have they told to take pi as 3.14 here? No. Minus half into base into height. Theta by 360, 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 8 into 8 minus half into base into height 8 into 8. 1s are 4s are 2 2s are 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 1s are 4s are 11 4s are 44, 44 into 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 3, 35. 352 by 7 minus 4 8s are 32. Take the LCM here. 32 into 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1, 22. 352 minus 224 by 7. 352 minus 224. 352 minus 224. 12 minus 4, 8, 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. 128 by 7 centimeter square. Is 128 by 7 divisible? 7 1s are 7, 58 remainder not divisible. Okay, so 128 by 7 centimeter square. So area of the part 2 is also 128 by 7 centimeter square. Therefore, area of design is equal to area of 1 plus area of 2. 128 by 7 plus 128 by 7. 128 plus 128, 200, 240, 256. 256 by 7. Is 256 by 7 divisible? 7 4s are 28 no, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, remainder 4, 46 not divisible, so you can leave it as it is. 256 by 7 centimeters square. This brings us to the end of the chapter. To get a better grip on this chapter, please take up the practice test. All the best and thank you.